Hello, everybody. I'm back with video number 3 for networking questions that you might get on a DevOps/SRE interview. Again, if you're going for a senior role, chances are you're not going to be asked these questions. If you're going for a junior role or entry-level role, you will be asked this question because there will be doubts about the candidate's ability to understand some basic fundamentals about how works and how to troubleshoot these problems. All right, so question number 6 today. How do you see if a port is open on a remote server? So the command for that is nc. So if I do, for example, nc minus vz, v is for, I forget, I think verbose, z I think is to close the connection. It's just a habit I've acquired over the years. nc minus vz and the name of the server, and this could be an IP address. This could be a private um, or a public IP address. So I'm hitting Google, and I know Google has port 80 open, so I will hit that, and it said succeeded. I know Google has 443 open, so that will succeed. But if I give it a random port, like this, whatever number, okay, I gave it too big a number, and now the port is valid, but it just hangs because and I didn't give it a timeout, so it didn't time out, but it's not responding, right? So it's not working. So that's how you can test even internally within your private network, for example, your servers or a particular IP address, if it's responding to a particular port or not, right? Okay, so that's question number 6. Question number 7: how to take a packet dump on a virtual machine. Um, on Linux or a Mac, you can just use tcpdump, and you need a root access for that. So I will do sudo tcpdump, and you have to give it an interface. The interface that I'm going to do is en0. That's my Wi-Fi interface on this Mac, and I'm going to limit how many packets we get captured because this can grow big really, really fast because you're capturing every single packet. So I'm going to say C, let's say 20, just 20 packets, no more. And I will let it run. And it already grabbed, because I'm doing a video right now over the internet. So the packets are already coming in and going. So that's why it ran so fast. When I ran this earlier, it took a minute or two for those packets to come because I wasn't doing anything live on the internet, right? So you can also send these to a file. I believe it's -o out. I didn't like that. The option for, anyway, it doesn't matter. You can send, the point is you can send it to a pcap file and then open it with Workshark to look at individual packets for your troubleshoot packet level problems. All right. Question number 8: how to download? No, we already did that. How to see what network interfaces you have configured on your virtual machine. Make sure I have enough time left on this video. Up 2 minutes. All right. So if I do, let's clear the screen. If I do ifconfig, like type, I get all these interfaces configured on my Mac. Why? Because I have Docker running, I have Minikube running, and God only knows what other interfaces Mac comes with by default. Anyway, EN0 is the Wi-Fi one. That's the interface where we're communicating right now over the Wi-Fi. So that's how you know what interfaces are there. I believe if you do config -a, you get the MAC addresses of all these interfaces. I don't know if it. So there is. Yeah, it's not clear. Anyway, basically -a means give me all the information. So if config is what you run to get your IP address and whatnot, and on all the interfaces that might be running on that particular box. All right, so those are the three questions 6 through 8 today. So I will see you in the next video. Before you go, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It helps me with my YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next video.